Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how we can use Google Bart for better SEO. It is a large language model from Google AI, trained on massive dataset of text and code. It can generate text, translate language, and answer your queries in informative way. But did you know that Google Bart can also use to improve your SEO? So in this video I am going to show you some specific ways that how you can use Google Bart to improve your website structure, attract more backlinks, and generate informative content for your blogs. Now, how to use Google Bart for keyword search. Now, one of the best way to use Google Bart is generate keyword ideas. You can use these keywords to optimize your blogs and article and website content as well. Here is an example. What are some relevant keywords for website about dog training? Dog training tips, how to train a dog, puppy training, positive reinforcement dog training, dog tricks, dog behavior problems. Now next is how you can use to improve your website structure using Google Bart. Google Bart can also use to improve your website structure. For example, you can ask Google Bart to generate a list of headings and subheadings for a blog post. This will help you to organize your content in a way that it can be easy for user as well as for the search engine to understand. Here is an example. Generate a list of headings and subheading for blog post about how to train a dog to sit, and here you will get the output in form of heading, subheading, and tips. Now next is how you can attract more backlinks from Google Bart. Finally, Google Bart can also use to attract more backlinks for your website. For example, you can give the command to Google Bart to generate a list of high quality websites regarding to your niche, and then you can reach to those websites if they are interested to your niche and giving you the backlinks. Here is an example. Generate a list of high quality websites that are relevant to your niche of dog training, and you will get the list of quality sites related to your niche, and here you will get the list of the websites that are related to your niche. So these are some ways that how you can use Google Bart for your better SEO. If you're serious about to improving your SEO, I encourage you to give Google Bart a try. Please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching the videos.